We're here in Shinsaibashi, Osaka, going to Star Wars theme restaurants. So on our way to Star Wars theme restaurants, you can see a lot of shops because this is a tourist area. We're in ano ba? A lot of food, oh. Pastry.
Very popular.
Yeah.
Oh, that's tight, right?
อันนี้ราคาเต็มนะซื้อที่เป็นแสนนะนี่นะอันนั้นมันยังเล็กทุกราคาเลยครับ
I think we went there before, no?
You see a t-shirt, you got it?
Yeah. Oh, but this is the one? Star Wars Cafe?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Star Wars Cafe. We're going there now? Well, let's go
Hour
around.
and 20. I'm getting this.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful, babe. Maybe we can get the mug here, the one that we went,
Mug right here.
the one that we get there in the cinema. Later at 3 o'clock, Jan. We will go around first.
Stay close by, Papa.
There are Swatch shoes. What is this? Oh, Nike. Oh, that is New Balance. This is Nike. Oh, okay. We all the shoes.
Go to the New Balance. I gotta figure out what's the size of mine.
Okay. We are in Shinsaibashi, Osaka. What is this? Oh, they have. My husband is looking for a hat. This brand is popular in New York. Current cup. A hat. LA.
Told you don't touch, right?
Be, what is LA?
Huh?
Los Angeles?
Yeah, I think it's like that. San Diego.
New York, okay.
Eventually, when I get my contacts, I'm gonna start wearing sunglasses.
Mm.
Hey, John.
the Solomon.
Yeah, Solomon's, right?
Yeah.
Purple one.
Oh, is that nice?
Where is it? You don't wear it no more?
Because that is boots.
No, the purple and yellow.
What you? We're going to cross, be?
You got time?
Okay. Oh, this is pala.
We go a little bit up and then we come back.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Daddy will give you the surprise. Obi, do you have Gyukako here, oh? A lot of shops and a lot of cafes. They have the Krispy Kreme again. A lot of things to buy here in Shinsaibashi. Oh, wait. Subway. Oh, look, oh, there's another restaurant, look, oh, on the right side.
There's a doll cafe.
That you can bring dog. Over there is a book of
Anchor.
oh, your favorite anchor. Oh, they have different colors. Ben, this is the one that you like. What is this?
Speakers.
Maybe that's all are KitKat only.
Company that makes KitKat.
Oh wow. Let's see.
The other way.
Here in Japan, even though their goods are outside, nobody steal. Oh, a lot of souvenir KitKat. Oh, very different kinds of KitKat.
Right over here. Yeah, raspberry cookies and cream, strawberry chocolate, matcha and chocolate. It looks like chocolate and caramel salt,
Strawberry.
dark chocolate, and then matcha or cacao.
Yeah.
And you have orange and chocolate.
Oh, they have a lot of KitKat.
Here's a Mount Fuji one. Ooh.
1,200? What?
Oh, here's a sake KitKat.
Ano? Saki?
Yeah, sake. I'm gonna get this. You're not gonna get nothing.
KitKat.
Oh yeah, Milo. It's the Milo.
What is the
This is the Saki KitKat right here.
what is the taste?
I don't know. This is peach Saki. This one is.
Oh, but they have here, Apollo chocolate, Mount Fuji.
Yeah, different company though. Here we go. Look, we have the
Ubi?
sweet potato. Sweet potato from Okinawa.
Ubi, why 1,000?
Because it's different.
It's special.
Yeah, special. Yeah.
Oh, they have the lemon?
lime.
Oh, that's different flavors. And apple.
Shima lemon.
Ubi, they have an apple, oh.
Yeah, they have apple. Yeah.
Before they don't have that, no?
There's a strawberry.
A lot of flavors now.
Oh, look, red bean taste.
This one
Strawberry cheesecake.
Mhm.
Not same.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Everything is here in Shinsaibashi. We're here in Egg and Things restaurant. We want to try their limited edition of Sakura Pancake. Wait, this is pork nachos?
Eat your potatoes, please.
Oh, you want your milk? Okay.
Please, mommy. Okay.